Hold up. Pickable, I see you. Pickable, I see you. Say hallelujah. Amen. Say hallelujah.
Here is Petra Hedorfer.
Buyers believe that Germany will be at least as attractive to visitors once the pandemic is over as it was before. We have developed a comprehensive recovery strategy. What remains is people's desire to travel.
Hello, Heike.
Let me give you an insight about the scene as such, and also let you know how we look at our customers and give you an insight about the customer perceptions.
And good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Also from my side, welcome to this panel discussion, Destination Germany, Rebuilding Travelers' Confidence and Safety.
According to UNWTO, this smart destination must be accessible, sustainable, and well-positioned digitally.
Now is that Mecklenburg-Vorpommern is a sustainable and more sustainable and climate-friendly destination.
What do you have to offer there for the individual tourism?
If you want to stay by your side, by yourself a little bit more, then I would absolutely recommend to maybe look into houseboat holidays or canoe trips. It's always a great idea to explore the cycle trails with the accommodation along the way.
For us at Outlet City Metzingen, the second virtual GTM is again a great platform to make new contacts. So our nearly 50 appointments make for great information exchange.
Already, between the two of us that are attending this show, we have over 90 appointments. That's how important this event has become, even on a virtual platform.
Hold up.
It's more important than ever to keep in touch with our German partners and understand the trends and developments, safety measures, and everything that has been put in place to bring our guests back safely to Germany.
Communication has been key in these tough times, and to be able to speak with valued partners, share insight, and listen to how everyone is developing for the future.
So you could say data is the lifeblood of our work.
So there's really a firework going on outside in all markets.
Come with me to a place called Germany. Feel the rich history on almost every corner. Let's explore the fascinating stories it has to tell. Take a deep breath. Hold on to the moment.
Hello everyone, we are here in our Passion Play Theatre in Oberammergau. Next year, the GTM will take place with us in the beautiful Ammertal. We look forward to welcoming you to Oberammergau in 2022.